Join us for the July Apply and Multiply Challenge. We're helping you multiply your money in July. Our free webinar July 3rd will show you how. Think it can't happen? So did Allison. Allison is a mom of 2. Her daughter has special needs, requiring Allison to typically be present around the clock, so she needed a way to earn income from home to supplement her husband's income. Allison discovered the Legacy Builder program, which offers 4 streams of income, 100% profit, and daily payouts directly into your bank account. Allison jumped in. It took her a few weeks to make her first sale, but she followed the step-by-step training, stayed focused, and remained consistent and coachable. Over the next 5 months, Allison hit 6 figures. That's $100,000 in 5 months. She recently shared with the community that she just paid cash for a much-needed new car and was finally able to take her son on a dream vacation to New York City, something she's dreamed of doing for a long time. Allison's story is amazing, but it's just one of many inside our community. This is what our proven system can do for you. Don't miss this chance to kickstart your July success and transform the rest of your year and life. Ready to change your life in July? Put ready in the comments to join the free webinar.